How to use ChatGPT to play Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5, better. Here are some tips that can help you play Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5, better. 1. Custom. The default control settings may not be optimal for your playstyle. Take some time to customize the control settings to better suit your preferences. 2. Practice driving. Driving is a big part of GTA V, and it can take some time to get used to the controls. Practice driving in different vehicles to get a feel for how they handle and to improve your driving skills. 3. Use cover. In gunfights, using cover can be crucial to your survival. Take advantage of the cover system to stay protected while you take down your enemies. 4. Upgrade your weapons. As you progress through the game, you'll have access to more powerful weapons. Upgrade your weapons to make them more effective and easier to use. 5. Complete side missions. Completing side missions can help you earn money and gain experience. They can also be a great way to improve your skills and learn more about the game world. 6. Use cheats. Optional if you're struggling with a particular mission or just want to have some fun, you can use cheats. Keep in mind that using cheats can disable achievements and may affect your overall gameplay experience. 7. Join a crew. Joining a crew can give you access to other players who can help you complete missions and achieve your goals. It can also be a great way to make friends and have fun. 8. Use mods. Optional if you're playing on PC, you can use mods to enhance your gameplay experience. Mods can add new features, improve graphics, and even change the game world. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun while playing GTA V. Take your time, explore the game world, and don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and play styles. Here are some reputable sources regarding the tips on how to play Grand Theft Auto 5 better, GTA 5 tips and tricks by IGN, https://www.ign.com/wiki/GTA-5/GTA_tips_and_tricks. 10 things to do in GTA V by Red Bull. GTA V Beginner's Guide, Tips, Tricks, and Things to Do by Digital Trends. 10 things you didn't know you could do in Grand Theft Auto 5 by GameSpot. Best GTA V mods by PC Gamer.